Me, you know, it came to me in the most honest.
Zamina, waka waka, Zamina, sankalewa, na wadada.
Zamina, waka waka, Zamina, sankalewa, anawa.
It was actually written in 1986 by a Makossa group from Cameroon.
Me, you know, it came to me in the most unexpected way. I was taking a few days off in my farm in Uruguay, and I walked from the barn to the house, and on that walk, boom, it came to me. I got the lyrics and the music of the entire first verse and first pre-chorus.
It's time for Africa. Zamina, waka waka, Zamina,
And I arrived to the house. I was like, I got it. I know this is it.
Well, it appears that Shakira's hips don't lie, but her mouth do.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, because subscribing makes you feel warm and squishy and cozy and fuzzy inside. So just do it!